You can throw around Christ, your Bible, anything you want. You could even throw your dick online, but it's not going to change. See, he's calling me a false prophet now because I'm telling you, matter cannot exist without vibration. Vibration is energy. Matter cannot fucking exist without vibration. It has to vibrate and push it together, coalescing matter. Without energy, matter wouldn't exist. They are in fucking separable. People like this say, oh, he doesn't have a perpetual motion machine, and call me a narcissist. And they also make the fucking clear statement that they would retract it if I could provide it. I provided it. He has provided 20, 30 fucking videos since then talking about how normal it is for the moon to rise wax, roll 180 degrees, and set wane, which is normally a 30 fucking day process. He breaks out his stick in a fucking cucumber, waves it around as if that's the way the moon rolls. He fucking rolls the fucking moon around the fucking earth in one day. He's yeah. And he's wrong about the way you got one wave, two waves, three waves in your fucking DNA formation. Period. It's physics. This guy claims he got a download. I think he got a fucking smack habit, is what I think. I think this motherfucker's on hallucinogens. He's probably a heroin fucking junkie. That's what I'm getting off of this guy, actually. I'm starting to believe that he is a heroin junkie.
Now, I've said that energy and matter are separate because that's what the Lord showed me.
Exactly. That's what you thought God showed you. I think you were on a fucking smack fucking trip or some shit, dude. Because if so, then God just lied to you for the first time I've ever seen a fucking lie. Because it's a fucking lie. And it's bullshit that you're using the fucking Bible to try to fucking cover your lie and call me fucking names, dude. In the name of a fucking liar. You're a fucking cunt, dude. Fuck you, Lee. Fuck your mother. Fuck your little buddy down the road. Scientific Lee is a heroin addict. Obviously. He's a narcissistic heroin addict. There you go, Lee. How you like that for name calling? You fucking heroin addict, you.